In front of me I've got Vivo T1 Pro. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning let's go to settings and go to security. Go to screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks. Non-swipe pattern, PIN and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone, and let's start with 2 non-security screen locks, which is none and swipe. Now let's select PIN number that has to contain at least 4 digits. And next let's select password, which has to be created with at least 4 characters. In the end, let's go to pattern, and to create pattern connect at least 4 dots. Now we can go to biometrics, and the first biometric is fingerprint. Scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the bottom of the screen. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the finger position. Tap done. And in the end let's go to face. And to set up face unlock, simply scan your face via front camera. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.